So children, now we are learning about that how we can create form. So for creating form, which tab is responsible? You will open this create tab. Okay, here in the create tab, you will check when you are clicking on this create tab, you are having the option for creating. And here you will check that we are having these options: tables for creating table, query for designing queries, and forms. Query is for extracting information, certain information from the table. मुझे पूरे कंटेंट को डिलीट भी नहीं करना है, but I want a specific information, then we are using query option. Form is that if you want to take data from the user, then we are creating form. The user is placing the value. Reports is for designing the report, taking the hard copy of the data. So now here, first is how we can design the form. So for designing form, click on this form wizard option. When you are clicking here, you will check this window will appear. From here, किसका form design करना है? You will select that table or query. I am selecting table 1. Here all the fields are there. You will select any particular field. If you want all the field, you will select and then click on next. When I am clicking next, what layout would you like? Layout means design, just similar to your query and report, column, tabular, date sheet, or justified. Which design you want? Any design you will select, then click next. Here is what title would you like for your form? Form के लिए title क्या चाहिए? You will select any title. You will type the title here. Any title you will type and then click on finish. When you are clicking on finish, now your table or this form is created. Children, here you will check that few things are there. Record. Here I am on first record of 6 record. Total 6 records are there. I am on first record. And with this arrow key, next record देखो 2. Second record आ गया. Third, 4. When I am on this record, you will, if you want to move to previous record, this one. If you want to move on to the first record with this arrow. On last record with this arrow. If you want to open new record, new, then click on this one, new. Now here you will insert the value like this. And then click on here children, you will check in views. We are having 3 view. One is your form view, it will show your form. Next one is your layout view. Layout view, it will show the layout of your form. Okay, what are the fields available there in the field list, so it will show you the layout of that form. So now done. After filling the entry, here is a save option. You will click the save. When you are clicking save, your this particular data will be saved there in the form. Okay, so now you are having 7 records in place of 6. पहले 6 थे. Now one more record I am inserting. I am inserting name here. First you will open the table in the form view. ठीक है, form view is for entering or editing the value. I am writing and then name, roll number, class, section. Done. Now click on this view option and from here you will select your form view. Form view for if you want to do editing there. Layout view, it will show you the design only. And now your data is saved. So you will check children here 8 records out of 8. ठीक है, means अब एक और current record मैंने इसमें add कर दे. Inserting new record, click again here. Now insert new record. I am inserting name. First you will open this in form view. तभी इसमें editing कर सकते हैं, value place कर सकते हैं. Now I am placing roll number. Here I am placing class. Here I am placing section. Done. Now you will check 9 records out of 9. So in this manner we are creating form. Thank you so much for listening this. Thank you class. Thank you. Now children, in this video we will learn about that how we can create query. What is actually query? You have going there in the class, your teacher, what your teacher is asking? Your teacher is asking that are you having any query? Query means are you having any doubt? So MS Access provide you the facility that here also you can generate query, and that query that function is done by this MS Access. ठीक है, एक one method is there. I want to do searching something. Sir is said, ma'am, I want only those student record whose roll number is 45. So means sir is giving me query. 2000 records are there. I am searching this thing manually. ठीक है, ह्यूमन एरर हो सकता है. इन प्लेस ऑफ दिस आई विल जनरेट वन क्वेरी एंड आई विल क्रिएट वन डाउट. क्वेरी क्या होता है? Are you having any query? Are you having any doubt? So I means I am generating one doubt there, and when this command execute, it will give us only that record who contain the roll number 45. ठीक है, whatever condition you are giving, it will follow that condition. It will show us only that record. So ma'am, how we can create query? So for creating query, which tab is responsible? मैम you in beginning only you told कि for creating anything which tab, create tab. Done. Here we are having tables for table designing, query for query, forms for creating form report. Okay, query, here we are having two options, one is query wizard, one is query design. One by one we will discuss both the method. First is query wizard, just similar to your report wizard and your form wizard. One window will appear, this one is your new query window. Here is simple query wizard, so many different queries are there. Cross tab query wizard, okay, and here is find duplicate query wizard, find unmatched query wizard. So out of this you will select any. I am selecting simple query wizard, so means simple query wizard, from one table only I want to select something. Here is table of query, किसके ऊपर query generate करनी है. So from here you are will select any table or query. Query में भी query generate कर सकती थी मैं. I am selecting this table one. ठीक है. Sir said कि मैम I want name only. सर ने मुझे क्या बोलता है, आई वॉन्ट नेम ओनली. आई एम सेलेक्टिंग नेम. सर सेड ओके मैम यू विल सेंड मी देयर सेक्शंस ऑल्सो, सो मीन सेक्शन ऑल्सो. इफ सर सेड कि मैम ऑल द रिकॉर्ड्स आई वॉन्ट, देन क्लिक ऑन दिस डबल एरो. बाय मिस्टेक आई टेकन सेक्शन बैक. ओके, अगेन यू वॉन्ट टू ऐड, डन. ऑल द वे बैक, सो विद दिस डबल एरो ऑप्शन. नाउ डन, क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. After clicking on next, what title would you want for your query? Children, the steps are very similar. One time if you will do this thing in practical, it is easy for you to remember the step for in exam also. Okay, so what title would you like for your query? Any title you will give. I am giving you Oak School. Done. Alva. Silver Oak School, Alva. This one is the title of my query. Here I am writing. Done. Here two things are there. One is open the query to view information. Information check करने के लिए query open कर लो. और modify the query design. So I open the query to view information. ठीक है. If you want to do any modification, then click on this modify the query design. I am selecting open and then click finish. From my side query completed. Children, if you will check in original table, we are having more than 2 fields. है ना? What fields are there? Name, roll number, class and section. Sir said, ma'am, I don't want the complete one. I want only specific record. Then for that I am generating query, and my name of the query is Silver Oak School. This one is my query, and here you will check that in this my query we are having two things. One is name and section. मैंने यही select किया था. How we are creating query? Create tab. Which group? Queries group. Which option? Query wizard. When you are clicking here, different queries are there. You will select your query. Click on OK. देन ऑन विच टेबल, किसके ऊपर क्रिएट करना है. आई एम सेलेक्टिंग टेबल पे करना है, क्वेरी पे करना है. यू विल सेलेक्ट ऑल द फील्ड्स प्रेजेंट देयर. सर सेड नो मैम आई वांट ओनली देयर सेक्शन. देन आई एम सेलेक्टिंग एंड देन सेंड. ठीक है. नाउ हेयर दीज आर अवेलेबल फील्ड्स, दीज आर सेलेक्टेड फील्ड. यू विल सेलेक्ट एंड देन क्लिक नेक्स्ट. व्हेन यू आर क्लिकिंग नेक्स्ट, नाउ you will give any title to your query. So that title will be appear here in the title bar. Sorry, this one is navigation pen. Here you will check Silver Oak School Alva, this term I am giving, and then click on next. If you want to do modify, still you will click, you will do this modification, click on this modify option. So next is, I am clicking from my side, each and everything is okay. I am clicking open and then I am clicking finish. What happened? It will give me that thing on. So this one is query. Okay. Next is how we can create query by using query design method. So for query design method, children, I am creating query by second method. Here is query design in create tab. In queries group, I am clicking query design. First I open my table, and in this table I want to create query. So in queries create tab, queries group, here is query design. I am selecting, you will check that one window will appear, show table. Here is table, here is queries. देखो इतनी सारी तो queries इसमें generated है. ठीक है. टेबल पे क्रिएट करना है कि both are there. जिसके ऊपर आपको जनरेट करना है क्वेरी, फ्रॉम हेयर यू विल सेलेक्ट. ठीक है. सेलेक्ट कर लो, ऐड कर दो. डन. Anything else? I am selecting table 1, then click on add. Done. Now okay, and I am closing this, close. Here you will check that I am taking one table की query and one is table 1, and I want to create query here. What I want name ma'am, name from, देखो यहाँ पे from here you will select that table 1. ठीक है. table 1 query और from table 1. अब इट विल बी लिटिल बिट कन्फ्यूजिंग फॉर यू, सो आई एम डिलीटिंग दिस वन. टेबल क्वेरी को मैं डिलीट कर देती हूँ. ठीक है. रिमूव टेबल. Now only one table is there. So sir said ki ma'am, I want only the name and section of the student. So what I am doing, I am clicking on this field. ठीक है, here table one में से what sir said, I want name. Okay, or what sir said, I want section. So I am selecting section. Done. Now here if we are having one option in results, we are having this one option run. You will click on this run option. When you are clicking, you will check what happened. It will show you only name and section. Okay children, so for creating this query we are having two methods. Click on create tab. One is query wizard and one is your query design. When you are clicking on query wizard, one window will appear, and in that window you will select, and then later whatever the steps now you will follow that. Next is query design. Here you will design the query. So for this, click here query design. When you are clicking, you will get this one window, show table. Here table, query and both. किसका query design करना है? I want to select की table और किसी query का करना है. I am selecting this query because in query तो I am taking only two field ना, that's why I am not selecting it. ठीक है, okay. और किसका करना है? I am selecting this table, okay, and then add. Okay, close. I want to create query bit from these. Sir said कि मैम I want the name and roll number from table, ठीक है, and section from the silver. Okay, school अलवा. So for this, what sir said कि sir said कि name from table 1. Okay, and what he want? He said कि मैम section from table 1 and section and name and section ही लिया है क्या मैंने? I will change this. सर सेड नेम फ्रॉम टेबल 1 ले आओ मैम, और मुझे ना रोल नंबर चाहिए टेबल 1 से, लेकिन वो जो क्वेरी आपने जनरेट की थी ना, फ्रॉम देयर आई वांट सेक्शन. ठीक है, सो फ्रॉम हियर यू विल सेलेक्ट विच वन इज सेक्शन. अच्छा नेम, अच्छा वेट चलो आई विल चेक. ठीक है, नाउ यू विल क्लिक ऑन दिस रिजल्ट. हियर इज रन ऑप्शन. यू विल क्लिक हियर रन. व्हेन यू आर क्लिकिंग रन, व्हाट हैपन, इट विल शो यू टेबल 1 नेम, टेबल 1 सिल्वर स्कूल से नेम, section it will take. ठीक है, so how we can create query, again I will tell. Click on create tab and here is query option, query design. First you will create one fresh table and in that table click on this query design, and from here you will select your table and then click on add. When you are clicking on the add option, you will check that this window will appear, and here from here you will select from this drop down arrow, you will select which field you want, and then next which field you want you will select. I am selecting roll number and then I am selecting section, and from here result you will select this run option. It will show you roll number only. Section, where is section? So children, in this manner we are creating the query. So like this you will try it at your home, and thank you so much for listening. Thank you class. So creating report, that how we can create report. So for creating report, which tab is responsible? Create tab. Children, when you are clicking on create tab, here you will check that this one is your report group. Here in report group you are having the option report wizard. When you are clicking on report wizard, this one window appear just similar to your form wizard. Here this window is report wizard. When you are clicking on this report wizard, here is table or query. Of which table or which query you want to open or you want to create the report. What is report? Report means hard copy of the database if you want. That one is report. So from here you will select that if you are having more than one table here, queries hai, tables hai, out of which table you want, you will select that table. Now done. In this particular table, what fields are available here, you will check. We are having two fields. So it will show us two field and one is ID field. In report, which field you want? Here three field, ID, name and roll number. If you want all the field, then click on double click like this. All the fields are there. If you want to select only name and roll number, anyone, ठीक है, तो देखो double back arrow से it will move back all fields. Now here single field I want name only, then single click. And I want roll number only, then single click. Name and roll number, then click on next. Now name and roll number here. डू यू वॉन्ट टू ऐड एनी ग्रुपिंग लेवल, ग्रुपिंग मीन्स इनको कुछ ही ग्रुप में क्रिएट करना है, ठीक है, किसी टाइप से कोई प्रायोरिटी सेट करनी है. इफ़ यू वॉन्ट यू विल, otherwise click on next. Here you can you sort you can sort the record up to 4 field, ठीक है. सपोज आई एम हैविंग 10 field, मुझे असेंडिंग डिसेंडिंग किस ऑर्डर में प्लेस करना है. सॉर्टिंग ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड्स इन असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इफ़ यू वांट यू विल सेलेक्ट किसके अकॉर्डिंग सॉर्ट करना है, नेम के अकॉर्डिंग प्लेस करना है, रोल नंबर के अकॉर्डिंग, एनी फील्ड you will select. Then click on next. When you are clicking on next, how would you like to lay out your report? Layout means design. Children, here we are having 3 design. Column design means in column format. इसको you will observe this thing very carefully, ठीक है. I am selecting tabular design and I am selecting justified. Justified in this justified format. I am selecting tabular design in table format. Columnar design in column format. Field name here, data here, field name here, data means column format. Tabular format, field name here, orange one, field name and then data. Justified, all our things are there. So you will select any of the format here. Here is orientation. Orientation, portrait or landscape. Portrait means in this one is portrait. Landscape, horizontal manner. Print we are taking print in 2 method na. This one is portrait and this one is landscape. So any method you will select, then click on next. And here is what title do you want for your report. Okay, what title do you want to for your report? Because I am creating the report of a school, I am giving the name of the school. So I am giving here Silver Oak School. Done. Here we are having 2 options: preview the report or modify the report design. Preview means now from your side each and everything is completed, you want to preview of that report. Modifying the report design, still if you want to do any changes, then click on this modify. नो प्रॉब्लम, ठीक है. सेलेक्ट एनी वन एंड देन क्लिक इफ प्रीव्यू, क्योंकि सब कुछ खत्म हो गया. नाउ प्रीव्यू आई वांट टू चेक, देन क्लिक ऑन फिनिश. नाउ यू विल चेक दैट योर रिपोर्ट इज हियर, ऑल द नेम ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, देयर रोल नंबर इज देयर. सर सेड कि मैम गिव मी द हार्ड कॉपी ऑफ दिस डेटाबेस. हियर you will check that print preview tab appear and here is print option. You will click on this print option. One window will appear. You will select your printer and then select your give your print. Okay, and from here also page layout, from here also you will do the few changes in the print of the document, okay, of the report. Okay children.